Imagine hearing a voice that sounds exactly like you, but you never actually said those words. Crazy, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to clone your voice using AI for free. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to generate a voice that sounds just like yours, and I'll even show you how to make it express emotions. Here's a quick preview of what we'll create.
Hey amazing people, welcome back to my channel.
Hello, my name is Creative Jane, and this is not my real voice, it's actually an AI generated clone.
Sounds pretty real, right? Well, let's dive into how you can do it too. Step 1. Access the AI tool. First, open your browser and go to Hailuo AI. I'll leave the link in the description for easy access. Click on Sign In or create an account using your Google account. Once you're in, navigate to Audio and click on it. On the top right, you'll see 3 dots. Click on that and select Voices. Then, click on Create Your Clone Voice to start the process. Step 2. Upload or record your voice. Now, you'll see an option to add or drop an audio file. If you already have a recorded voice, simply upload it. Otherwise, you can record directly on the platform. For the best results, make sure your audio is at least 10 seconds long and has clear sound quality. Step 3. Clean up your audio. Before proceeding, you'll see an option to remove background noise. I highly recommend enabling this to make your voice crisp and clear. Then, give your voice clone a name. I'll name mine Creative Jane. Step 4. Select language and convert. Now, choose your preferred language. I'll select English for this demo. Read and agree to the terms and conditions, then hit convert. At this point, AI will start analyzing and recreating your voice. Once it's ready, you'll see a preview option. Step 5. Test your AI voice. Step 6. Use your AI voice for videos. Now, let's turn this into a full AI narration. Click on Use Next to your generated voice. You'll see a text box where you can paste your script. Want to make it sound more expressive? Select an emotion. I'll go with happiness for a more engaging tone. You can also adjust the pitch and speed to make it sound just right. Once done, hit Generate Speech and your AI voice is ready to use. Now that you have your AI-generated voice, how about making a talking AI avatar that gestures and moves realistically? In my previous video, I showed you how to create a talking, walking AI character using AI tools. Check it out. It's linked in the description. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI-powered content. I post tutorials on the latest AI tools to help you create mind-blowing content effortlessly. Let me know in the comments, what's the next AI tool you'd like me to cover? See you in the next video.